What if I told you that losing weight is actually really easy? You probably think I'm crazy. If you're one of the many people who have been struggling with their weight, easy is not how you would describe trying to lose weight. For a lot of people, dieting can be frustrating. So many people find losing weight tough. However, when you look closer at the human metabolism and how it works, it's actually quite simple. In fact, it's a simple two-part formula: calories in, calories out. It may seem like there are tons of weight loss options and systems out there, but it really all boils down to these simple methods. Everything else is a variation of these three methods. Method 1, eat less calories, but burn the same amount of energy. Every day, whatever you're doing, you're always burning calories. In fact, even when you digest your food, and even right now, while you're watching this video, you're still burning calories. What this boils down to is, whatever you're doing, your body always needs energy, and energy burns calories. This is known as the body's passive calorie burn rate. If you were to consume fewer calories and use the same amount of energy every single day, at some point your body would begin eating your fat and eventually, your muscle tissues. Your body must get enough energy to be able to function on a day-to-day basis. Basically, when you eat fewer calories while using energy, your body will burn fat instead. Using this method, you start losing weight and feeling healthier. Method 2, eat the same amount of calories but burn energy at a higher rate. A good way to lose weight is to eat the same calorie intake but use more energy by doing some exercise. By doing physical exercises on a daily basis and eat the same amount of food, your body will burn the calories faster. Exercise doesn't have to be too dramatic in terms of your physical exertion levels. In other words, don't overdo it. Simply walking more often, take the stairs rather than the elevator, riding a bicycle to work rather than using the car all uses more energy and burns calories. It all amounts to the same process. When you eat the same amount of calories and burning more energy, your body is going to start looking for other sources of energy. It starts to burn fat. The result is the same. You start losing weight. Method 3, fewer calories while burning more energy. This method combines both the previous methods. By eating fewer calories but burning a higher amount of energy. This is how most weight loss plans work. It's all about calories in, calories out. It's really that simple. So why do so many people have a tough time doing this? The answer is lifestyle. A typical middle-class lifestyle, eating a standard American diet, will make you fatter and fatter. Big corporate food chains spend millions of dollars on advertising campaigns to convince us that the food is the healthy way to go. But what if I told you that most of the food sold by these companies are heavily focused on protein and carbohydrates that are making you sick as well as fat? Carbohydrates and the problem with insulin. When you consume more than 12 to 20 grams of carbohydrates, insulin becomes an issue. Now, insulin is normally a good thing. Insulin unlocks your body's cells that allows the sugar into your bloodstream. Your cells absorb the sugar and then converts it into energy. But insulin can become a problem if it's not controlled. As your body produces insulin, it uses blood sugar for fuel instead of fat. In fact, as the consequence, insulin locks your fat cells, prevents that energy escaping. This means your body is blocked from using fat as energy. If you don't control your insulin levels, it can lead to weight gain. By reducing the insulin, your body begins burning fat for fuel. It's that simple. The problem is our modern lifestyle, is our diet, is too many carbohydrates, of which results in excesses insulin. This, in turn, causes spikes in our insulin levels, which leads to us feeling hungry during the day. Also, these high-carb diets can inflame your system. The truth about fat loss. If you want to lose weight successfully, you should focus on controlling your insulin levels. It's that simple. When insulin is present, it's going to block your fat cells, preventing your body from burning fat for energy. Simply put, to stand any chance of losing weight, control your insulin levels. There are a few diet plans that will help you reduce carbs and control insulin. In our next video, we will be looking at low-carb diet plans. To stay updated and know when we add new videos, click on the subscribe button.